Hey guys, here's how to make slime. So you're gonna need 2/3 of a cup glue. So this is about half a cup. So I'm gonna use one whole one and about a little more than half of this. So we can get started. Yum. This is about 1/4 of a cup, and we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna add baking soda. Now we're gonna add our shaving cream. We're gonna mix it up.
You dip so much.
I think we need more baking soda.
The contact solution, yeah.
I know. We made a lot of slime, dude. Oh my. This isn't going good. Let me put the contact solution.
Dump a bunch in there.
I think that's good. Either this is gonna be a disaster or something amazing.
It's working!
Why do you make so much?
I think you put too much shaving cream.
Maybe. I think it's turning out good.
Why would you do that? Maybe more glue? Dude, we failed science class.
Can you get the spoon out of here? This is how to make slime.
Hey guys, I think it worked.
I think it's there. It's not supposed to stick to you, is it?
I think it will a little bit, but you gotta add more ingredients. Maybe more glue?
This is just amazing. The spoon is gone. Oh my gosh.
The chemical and the contact solution that sticks it together. Maybe more.
Okay. Oh, look how satisfying. It actually works.
Wow.
What?
Guys, we did it.
It works. We made a year's supply of slime, but
It's just a giant marshmallow.
yeah, falls into the grass.
We did it.
Okay, guys, that is how you make slime. You eyeball everything and you add other things while you do it until it works.